Hey everyone, I'm just coming on just to share what's on the Cricut. I was on Happymailqueens channel and noticed that she had done a project with this rosette here that everyone loves. And I was just like, did she say where she got that from? And I had to rewind and look at it once more. Anyways, she purchased the cartridge on Cricut or Design Space. I believe that's where she purchased it. And so when I heard that, I was just like, oh, I am going to get that today. And I just put her video on pause and went right over and searched under Anna Griffin rosettes on the Design Space and brung it right up. So if you're looking for this particular rosette and you have a Cricut, and that's one of the newer Cricuts, that you can get on Design Space, or actually you can get on Design Space. Anyways, this rosette is on there, and it's like $2.13 total, I think, once you actually purchase it. I think it says $1.99, but it added tax on there, so $2.13 for me, anyways. And then what I did when I cut it out, I ran it through twice because the first time I cut it out, it was very hard for me to see the score lines. And so I just ran it twice and was a little better on the second go around. And so anyways, if you stay on here, I'm going to try and show you how to get to it. And I'll just go ahead and link that on there. So I just wanted to let you all know it's on the Design Space. Okay, so anyways, here we go. I'm going to try and show you how to get there. And I don't use my Cricut often anymore. I haven't used it probably in 6 or 7 months. But anyways, click on Images. Go right here, type in Anna Griffin rosettes and click Search. And this is how it's going to look. So hopefully you can see that, and go right over to your Design Space and pick up yours. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Bye-bye.